Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the most beautiful blow dryer I've ever owned. This is FUNTIN's blow dryer, and I have it in this beautiful matte pink, and it comes with these rose gold accents. This blow dryer works really well. As you can see, I have curly hair, and I was struggling to find a blow dryer that was strong enough, that came with a great diffuser, but that also wasn't too hot for my hair. So I love this blow dryer. I use this on the low setting, which is still powerful enough to dry my hair quickly, and I use it on the low heat setting. But you have so many settings depending on what kind of hair you have. You have cool, you have low heat, and you have high heat to choose from. And then you also have two power settings. So the first one is pretty powerful. The second one is very powerful. So if you want to get a quick dry, this is the way to do it. It also comes with 3 great attachments. I love the diffuser, but they all work really well. I use this other attachment to kind of get some volume at my roots. And overall, I am so happy with this blow dryer. I think that you are going to love this too. First of all, it's just beautiful, but it also works really well no matter what hair type you have. So I highly recommend this blow dryer by FUNTIN, and that's my point of view.